How to change the skin on a Minecraft PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the skin on a Minecraft PC. First, launch Minecraft. The Bedrock edition of Minecraft includes an in-game dressing room where you may change your skin, choosing from a collection of pre-made skins. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Now select the dressing room button under your character. The game's main page displays your Minecraft character on the right-hand side. Beneath it is the button for the dressing room, represented by an image of a clothes hanger in newer versions, or as dressing room in older versions. Now select the menu button in the top left corner of the screen. Then select Classic Skins. From this menu, you may also edit your current character or create a new one, change capes, or scroll through different emotes for your character. Now choose a skin. Your dressing room will include all your already owned skins, including any purchases or pre-packaged skins. If you do not see a skin you like, click on Get More Skins to buy a new one from the Minecraft Marketplace. After that, return to your game. Minecraft will save your changes automatically. Return to the main page and load up a game of Minecraft. Your changes will be instant. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.